Myself, Kumar from CSCB section, and I am going to tell about GSM. GSM is nothing but Global System for Mobile Communication. Okay. GSM is nothing but Global System for Mobile Communication, and it is a most used popular wireless cellular communication in the world. And it is developed for the 2G, that is known as second generation first. And in GSM, Global System for Mobile Communication, we have three types of subsystems which are connected to each other and connected with the user to provide services. The three systems are subsystems are first one BSS, which stands for Base Station Subsystem, and second one is NSS, which stands for Network Switching Subsystem, and the third one is OSS, which stands for Operational Support Subsystem. And we have another one also, which is known as mobile mobile subsystem. Let us come to the topic now. In GSM, the process communication process occurs in a way like subscriber to the base station to the telephone systems. And let us see the block diagram of the process which occurs in GSM. First one we have hardware, in which we have mobile device with IME plus SIM. Here SIM is nothing but we have hardware in which we have mobile device with IMEI number and SIM card, which SIM stands for Subscribers Identity Module, and IME stands for International Mobile Equipment Identity. And next we have BSC, which stands for Base Station Center. In this we have different types of base stations, and this base station center is connected to these different base stations, and this is connected to five categories of GSM, in which we have first one is HLR. HLR stands for Home Location Register, and second one VLR, which stands for Visitor Location Register, and third one EIR, Equipment Identity Register, fourth one AU, Authentication, and fifth one is MSTM. Here HLR, which means Home Location Register, is responsible for the activation or registration of the SIM card of the person, and VLR stands for Visitor Location Register, in which the data stores, the data of the person who travels from different places will be stored in this register. And we have EIR, Equipment Identity Register. Here the data is stored, the data of SIM and IMEI, where IMEI stands for Identity Mobile Equipment Register, stores in EIR, Equipment Identity Register. And next we have AU. AU is nothing but authentication or authorization of the person's SIM card and mobile devices for having details of the person. And next we have MSTN, Mobile Switch Telephone Network. This is connected to PSTN, public service telephone network. This is directly connected to this is connected to the PSTN, public service telephone network, and this is directly connected to the telephone system. And this is the whole process of communication in the GSM. First of all, let us come in detail. We have GSM is known as global system for mobile communication, and we have different types of interconnected subsystems in the GSM, which are known as VSS, NSS, and OSS. And there are five types of categories, which are known as HLR, VLR, EIR, AU, and MSTN. And in communication process, we have mobile device with IMEI number and SIM card. These are hardware devices. Coming to the base station, we will have this. In communication process, base station have the details of this and these five categories. These base stations and these five types of categories, we complete our process, communication process. Thank you.